Hello, in this new video we are going to show some of the other features of Ubi Base. This time we will, instead of creating our own database, we will get one from the available templates. Let's select the first one. It has all the different fields available already selected. If we select our database and start adding a new field, let's add a number as we have done before. Let's enter currency amount. We'll see how to use it later. Let's add the address of a website. Let's enter an email address. A message address. A phone number. And let's see, here we have a field where we can record both the date and time. And at the bottom we have two special fields. The last one created records the date the field, the record was first created. And the second, modified, records the last time the record was actually modified. Let's save this record and go to the currency, and we are going to change that currency to something maybe more appropriate. The tick field, we can tick or untick as appropriate. The web field will open a web browser. The email address will actually open a mail editor. Same for iMessage. Phone will actually call if we do have a device with capable of making phone calls. Contacts, let's link to an existing contact. Select Apple here. So if we go back now, we have the Apple phone entry available. We can record a location, somewhere in Paris. We can actually make a search. Yep, let's move this somewhere else. And that address has now been recorded in our little database. And we can also make link to a record, possibly in some other database. And we now point directly to that record. There we are. Now that we have linked our databases to our Dropbox account, we have a number of features available. So our database, first database, we could actually copy just the content of the form definition. We can actually check that. All the form elements are there, but it's actually empty. Or we could make a copy, but also copy the content. This is quite handy when you want to copy data from one database to another, from one account to another. We have some additional options as well. We could export our database to our Dropbox, or we could export our database by email and send to someone directly. This is it for this video.